Thank you very much. Good morning, all of you, members of the press. I've come in and I have voted both in the presidential and the parliamentary election. The process has been smooth. The lines I can see are very orderly, and we are expecting a very peaceful election. And I'm encouraging all Ghanaians to get up and get to the polling stations, queue peacefully and vote and exercise their right to vote, and let this be a very peaceful election.
Sir, are you hopeful of winning?
So far, what I'm hearing in terms of reports around the country, there is calm. There is very little tension that I can see around the country. People are going to queue. In fact, I gather that people were queuing from midnight last night across the country. It shows enthusiasm, and I believe that that portends well for the democracy of Ghana.
Any figure of margin of victory?
Stephen, you're going to set a trap for me. I'm not going to fall in that trap. A victory is a victory, and we just want to win. So, by the grace of God, we will win.
Can you say again what you expect for this election exactly?
Well, I expect a peaceful process. I believe that we will see a democracy in Ghana entrenched. And I want to thank all of you very much.
Thank you.
Adafo memo biara akwa abasonko edibagie Chinet TV. Amedo wasese abrebia no ojemra utiemi. Ejebo eja enya abechu de bia da se na ye ayebo nka ye se abato emre no eye adwunom. Afe na abrewa ayipuma ewo kwan ma enne na chese abato no ekoso. Na abato yi ekoso de na timi hu se afano obia eni abre nempo abra abato no enyanko so no na chese amanfo guso a omo preachi about peace chese asumje ye man Ghana ha say sebi basabasa yebisi a menu mienu ye nukro bia ye bedwane akoso nempo anhwe a wobenya akonya mpo adwane afiri krom ha say na nyema age ego awie esen so a menu mienu kro ya na ye ho be kire yen na chese ahokire no kwa na ebekoso akomunti na obia kase okwo na wokoto wa aba katowano na fa kofie ne kotie de ekoso etwe nya afi na wo be kire say ye Miamini Oga. Electoral Commission for so ababonten de nsem abetudwa se abatuo yi a ye betui obia de no ho ehye bi omo adwuma no omo njeje mu kwa kwasa omo bebo omo ho moden ahu se prepare yo aba obibia ntem na omo adwuma no de ebusuanya adwuma edafom sanso na omo boye ho ban so ebusuanya omo de omo no nsem abegudwa akire mu se enhyehyɛ biara omode agu kwam sa abato yi ebekoso ye nyina ye ndi so se ne beye a asumdwe beba na mpo wudi enhyehyɛ a omode agu akwan ni mu a sebi wa ho ofe eso nte na de wokoto aba ama no so na ebusuam ensesa wunim de wokoto aba no omo se niema bi wo ho a omo mpene ebi ni se moto cars ene sebi oya abode matwo bouncer enya kona wadwuma no wo be kire ebeyiyi ubo so akire amanfo shatale ebekata ho nyina enye ho na be kire se ye wageme abo ni nyina ehu hia na abutua abato yi ekoso ide na chese obi biara so wo voter ID card no wonya 18 years nko ade a ubetimi ato aba amano ayeye na chese NPP amanyoko no pani a odano eye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ebusua wakoto na aba wabra okoto aba no so ebusua na cheze efe keke odi line so otwen kopim se eduru no so a okoje ne card waka ne nse ink ni nyina okotintim nyina na chese camera eda no so a otwa na so otomo ono ho ana so otomo a obi foforo de ejina ono aso na enso ye nyina enim se ohu no ho ensan enkoto aba emmo obi foforo ono ankasa e na obeto ama no ho ani otuwie no nso Abusia odi asumdwe nsem egu akwema na ochire mu se so far anase nsem a otete anase ono ankasa ehu bidio hu se oman Ghana yepe asumdwe na asumdwe nso na ekoso sa pepepe ne nyina yete ase ne ye a ebeboaye okwa akodi line mu enkowia line mu diso enye den a abusia obetubi ndi superpepe okwa asebi omo boye ho ban a omo atwa ye ho ahia na piti sa post for fire service for no de omo beka se ye no ye pepepe kopim se ebedru so na amfa basabasa ye bia amba na abusun guso a okasa no na chese obi busa ne se na abatu ye a o ye ti wujidi se obewi ni ana no si we de afidikese pa na chese watumi chese inkunindie bia ye nkunindie ono de ogidi ye pa se nkunim fraka na de obetimi atam nti ono asa ansa na ebusia odebema no ebusia sanso na ukopie mu ewo menhia south ane ne vice president napo ebusia Martin Opoku Prempeh ono nso ekopie mu ewo ho akese eho ena okotintim na aba eho ena oto aba wa abra oto nyina ebusia na akese ono nso camera eda no so a amanfo dodo na etwa ahia ena ebi mu boje no so sanso na owie abato na ape na ebusia otu ni cha akese ochia obia ena nsem twofo a etwa ho ahia percent nkomo ne betwetwe nkomo nso ebusia okasa sisi ane de oni hwe ka akese obi a odi nachi na akese onya akonya ne omo kasa ya wo chiri mu se asumdie na na omu nyina pre na afen so bia nso nim se Martin Opoku Prempeh so de onto na aba na emmo bia se Bawumia fi se ono na oye ni chitaafo a obeta na chi na so obekwa akoto ama obi foforo de abusia obi beka se na esewara ensem ne de etwa aguye pa yenkohwe bi emma.
Thank you very much. Good morning, all of you, members of the press. I've come in and I have voted both in the presidential and the parliamentary election. The process has been smooth. The lines I can see are very orderly, and we are expecting a very peaceful election. And I'm encouraging all Ghanaians to get up and get to the polling stations, queue peacefully and vote and exercise their right to vote, and let this be a very peaceful election.
Sir, are you hopeful of winning?
So far, what I'm hearing in terms of reports around the country, there is calm. There is very little tension that I can see around the country. People are going to queue. In fact, I gather that people were queuing from midnight last night across the country. It shows enthusiasm, and I believe that that portends well for the democracy of Ghana.
Any figure of margin of victory?
Stephen, you're going to set a trap for me. I'm not going to fall in that trap. A victory is a victory, and we just want to win. So, by the grace of God, we will win.
Can you say again what you expect for this election exactly?
Well, I expect a peaceful process. I believe that we will see a democracy in Ghana entrenched. And I want to thank all of you very much.
Thank you.
Asante Mantemo na running mate Emma New Patriotic Party Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh sabre oto naba ewo Asante Mantemo dodona ha ti wono na efri box ni mu honoma wa shen obese ni kiki kama ha we wetu ne che a watch ya nti napo na ato na ba ewia wetu ni cha wo wevi ene manfo eno no nti Running Mate for New Patriotic Party Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh and Asabri wakwakoto na ba nti ne media for no so aye krado pa aisem ko mo twetwe ebe koso said you be as here the microphone the phones the cameras of course United Television ene de ebre wo yigina mu papa nti wo share opinion binum so okay ye papa kokofu aha ebusuafo nsabe yentie de wode etudwa.
She had already voted, and then Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh has also voted. And obviously, he voted for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and then the parliamentary candidate for New Patriotic Party.
So he is leading this 85% target agenda in the Ashanti region. This is his home constituency. What is the expectation like?
Well, Dr. And the corner got to we are no friend. So maybe I better do that. What's it? Yeah, I go. Congratulations.
Ebusiano chose apatu ansem no kwa ene ekoso obia eni abre NPP eni abre NDC eni abre chedanso eni abre videos dodo na ena aba abonti achese omo a omo wo aban mu ankasa omo wo NPP amanyokuo nim NDC amanyokuo nim nlie omani abre afiwe sebi obi biara ni ho odebebodon obia eni abre achese abatuo no otonso a wogidi yie se emra anase niemo mahyehyɛ gu akwan mu obedi so pepepe se ne beye a edinfin wo he anase edi bone de abusia obi ani ho a opese ogibi nti de ya hyehyɛ gu akwan mu no saa pepepe ene onu akoro ewo se oye ohwe the way anapo ekoto na abaye abusia na efe sanso na Bawumia nso koto na abaye na efe na kyese wa bro otu wie ye mpo a obobo pipa na ode ehye box ni mani kakra eno de hye wie ya kyese obegina ho a nsamtwefo etwa no ho ehye etoto na no ema ensama owo ewo se odi tudwa no jese odi tudwa ebusia ni abato no koso gidigidi ya se ni amanfo abuafu eni abere so omonto aba na sanso na ebi nso eni abere edi life yesi ebi kura kosa life tia homache ebi si ebi ko 1 ebi ko 2 ebi ko 4 chese ebi kura de ebo ekosa life se afia batu edie bibi ebesi na chese nyese ebia ne basabasa yemu a obia pese na manyoku odi oyi ni so obedi omanim no pese obetina oman Ghana yakonya ne so nti obia nim se abane de wa fa wie obia nim se Ghana de onu na ebedi nso yetu wie ni ebobo na chese asumdie wo oman Ghana mu dia na obi behu se mabato amekoto ye mfaso amenya awosunie de mekoto ye menya no de meyi na bikura de ebi nso si ebi ko save vote keke ye yi pipa na ma na obetintima mu nyina ebusunya sa na emani nyina anya de ebeboa onkoto nso akoto abapa na nko save pipes na keke ni nyina emwa oman Ghana na ebusunya se bi obonka make sure so be like share subscribe do wadwenche no aka me ho ewo ye comment section ho na update bia beba beto ho bia ebusunya yemfa en community be mo ni edi channel mechi Edi no ɛyɛ maame ya afie Accra